They give me 1,000 naira Zenith Bank check to go. I would see a man like me will go and stand in front of a fine cashier with 1,000 naira check. How does that look like? Dehumanized. Then I will buy black, blue, and red biro for my colleagues as HOD. Buy food paper for them. Their month end, they say I should account for how I spent the 1,000 naira. That is head of department, HOD. God forbid. Can I hear you say God forbid? Not our portion. What is my highest salary as of today? I'm still lecturing. My highest salary, as I talk today, not even up to 350K with all my degrees. All my degrees, 36 years. Is that not slavery? Well, look at 100 pages recap, 100 pages. Look at it there, 100 pages. Recap. All the names you are seeing there, I don't know most of them. 90% I don't know. But because I use Pro and I shared, and I taught you to share also, we had an organization of people who are using products for their health, sharing products, and so the company says from each and every one, whether you know them or not, irrespective of the dates they perform, something at the end there, in dollar, is what flows to my account from more than 6,000 names of people. Is it a good system? That is a good system. Where you can see dollar flowing into your account every month because you were kind enough to share information with people and you built organization. Then at the end of it, what I did that month only was on 25th of July. We were traveling, my wife bought some toothpaste and things from the office. And at the end of the month, we still got something that came in. Thank you for buying toothpaste to use. Thank you for buying soap to use. Thank you for buying deodorant to use. So who will not want to buy from the company to use when there's a good thank you? It makes sense to be appreciated and you're also well. Then what I got was that, thank you, $45. You see, if I was not in a network, it means my salary that month would have been $45. That's the only work I did, $45. But because we have built an organization of people who are using products, they are well and they are sharing, you can see at the end there, total bonus, 11,988,000. Even the 988,000 is about 4 times my salary. What are you seeing here? Exchange rate was what? 160. Exchange rate 160. What's our exchange rate now? Put 330 here and know how much that would be. 23 million. 23 million in a month. And we're able to buy from the same shop price. So when you buy one, I'll buy 10. Of course. Because I took a decision to do something. To use products and share. And then build a organization of people. You see, we must be very careful about this. What can make you move to become diamond and move to become double diamond and beyond? What you are doing from the onset. You cannot plant a seed, go and sleep and expect to yield. You must be there to remove the weeds. Am I correct? Yes. Nurture whoever you have brought in, because that is where the growth will come from. Spend time and teach and coach them on what to do. You will see the result at the end. So all we are showing here involves what we must do with our products. I'm going to show to you eventually what we do to recommend these products. Some people don't even know, they don't open their mouth because they don't know what to do. So you need to, first of all, knowledge of the products. It's not just this yellow drink is very nice. It washes what? Be a professional. You don't have to go to school to learn about aloe vera. You don't have to have a degree. I have one lady in Warri, a Misere, stark illiterate, but she had traveled to the US twice, driving her second brand new car, earning over 3 million every month. So you don't need all the degrees in order to do well in the business. What is required to use, share, and build successful team is important. First, you need the knowledge of the product. Understand what thou readest. You are running away, running everywhere, but you don't understand what this means. You need to first understand the value of the product. Spend some time to understand what this means. Number two, you see, every commodity, the producers claim that they all have value. Even antiperspirant, they say it has value. But we must go beyond just knowledge of product now to the knowledge of the unique selling points. What's the difference between our deodorant and our antiperspirants? If you cannot establish it, they will tell you it's expensive. Not just knowledge, but the unique selling points. What makes our product have edge over others? If you can show that, then you must make sales. Next, many people want to see before they believe. And so the act of doing demos. In my car, I have my demo kit. Anywhere I go, my demo kit. Do demonstration, show how this works. The iodine in water, put this, you see the cleansing effect. People say, wow, you mean it works like this? People want to see in order to believe. Learn to do demos. Go online and look for Dr. Z. Virtually every product has demos you can show to people. Our detergent, body lotion, moisturizer, everything you can do the demo to show how they work. Learn it because people want to see before they believe. So do demos is important. And then next, efficient pricing system. Don't join those who are bastardizing the pricing system. Forever says this is this. Don't sell it your own price. You will damage the whole system. Did you get that message? Yes. You damage the whole system. Look at how much the company says wholesale price or your discounted price. And then look at how much you must sell. If you sell cheaper than that, somebody else comes and say, oh, I'm getting 7 times. Say, how can? How can? We were coming here for a program with Dr. Clement one Saturday. My wife brought out empty jerry cans in the car. Somebody stopped and said, where can I get this drink? I said, we have. We said, how much? We said, 7,000. We said, no, that's for markets here. 3,008, they said it there. And she walked away. How can we operate in that system? Supermarket business is wrong business. It's not our outlets. Jumia, Konga, and whatever is wrong business. Because the easiest way to personalize the business, bring your phone out and just Jumia or Konga. You see how much is there. Aloe vera gel. Place for every human being to see. So how on earth can I sell at 7,000 plus? Today we must change our mindset. Who agrees with that? Change our mindset. Because whoever continues to sell in Jumia and Konga, wherever, is demonic.